Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to insert an image into a selection. Okay. First of all, open your photo. Okay. Insert the image. Hold Control A for select. Control C or copy the image. Okay. Then create a new layer or add this layer. Best way, create a new layer, filter, vanishing point, create perfectly vanishing point or select selection area perfectly. Okay, then Control V or paste. Simply click and drag it. Control T, resize this. Okay. Click OK. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Another way to insert image.
Select, then select this layer, Ctrl T, Ctrl Z, click 3D mask.